Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the flash effect on TikTok. So open your TikTok app and tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Now once you're here, tap on the effects on the lower left. And you can just search flash. Search that. And here you can just choose what kind of effect you like. For example, let's try this one. Tap continue to apply and then just tap the screen, and as you can see the flash is on. Let's try a different one, same procedure. Tap on, for example, rainbow flash and tap continue to apply, and there you go. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.